Hey, whispers. Have you ever heard a story so wild, so unfinished, that it just stays with you like when you're busy doing the dishes and even when you're walking to the store, it just poof, comes back in your head. That's what happens to me when I think about the Kendrick Johnson's case. It's been living rent free in my mind ever since I scrambled across it. And every time I revisit it, it gets worse. This is what happened. First, let me introduce who I'm talking about. Kendrick was a 17-year-old, quiet, athletic kid, good grades, plays basketball, just a regular student at a high school in Georgia. One day, he went to school. He walked out as a normal day, but he never came back. His parents searched for him everywhere, called around called around. They called friends. They even filed for a report. And the next day, guess what? They found him. I know everybody's thinking, where? They found him in the school gym, rolled up in a vertical gym mat, deceased. That's not even the wild part. The wild part is the story the school told. For some reason, the school knew what happened to Kendrick. They claimed that Kendrick climbed on into the mat trying to retrieve a pair of shoes. That's when he got stuck and got stuck in that mat and died there alone. Let's just revisit the whole scenario the school is telling. Hopefully, let's just say it's true. You're trying to tell me a 17-year-old, 5'10", athletic, fit, just climbed into a 6 feet mat, head first for shoes, and got stuck. Get trapped just like that. Come on. Yeah. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no, this rabbit hole goes deeper. When Kendrick's body was found, his face was swollen. They couldn't even recognize his face the way it was swollen. There were like bits of blood almost near him. During the investigation, for some reason, that blood was never tested, and the family asked for a second autopsy, because for some reason, the first one it was just officially just ruled out as an accident. Yeah, wild. The family asked for the second autopsy. That's when everything shifts. That's when this thing got more disturbing. When they discovered his organs were missing, his body was stuffed with newspapers. Just papers. Like he was never meant to be opened again. The footage, the CCTV footage, the school CCTV footage, but that footage was supposed to tell us what happened to Kendrick, but for some reason it had missing frames, gaps, glitches. It got corrupt for some reason. The camera that would have showed what really happened to Kendrick stopped recording at the exact moment. However, that's not that was this case is driving me crazy. How does this even happen? Like, try to explain. This is not an abandoned building. It's a school. I mean, you're trying to tell me that nobody saw anything, nobody heard anything, and nothing worked the whole school day. And the more you look into this case, the more it's screams cover up, the more it feels like the truth is buried somewhere, locked up somewhere, just like Kendrick was, rolled up, hidden, and silent. His family never stopped fighting. They've been fighting ever since. This case is 12 years now. They've been fighting ever since. Demanding answers, but still no justice. Yeah. So I need to ask, why isn't this case everywhere? Why is this case quiet? Why are we not talking about this case like we're talking about the others? This case went quiet for long now. I mean, it has its own Netflix. The Kendrick Johnson Netflix documentary, but still, it's not as loud as it's supposed to be. Nobody's talking about it because I'm telling you, once you hear about it, once you see what happened to Kendrick, you cannot unsee it. Once you hear about it, you cannot unhear it. And once the whispers start, they can't stop. So listen closely. This isn't over.